But to the insurance topics, throwing it John's way, top Google searched and highly searched insurance question: does homeowners insurance cover lost jewelry? Yes.
Sometimes.
Depends.
Depends. Well, so almost every single home policy will have a cap on jewelry, right? And some of them are set at $2,500, some are set at $5,000. Really depends on what home policy it is,
right,
and what company and what cap they set it at. You can increase that. You're going to obviously pay a premium to increase that. And then I always tell people, though, what I would, if I were you, I would either schedule a very expensive piece of jewelry or get a separate policy called a personal article floater for that piece of jewelry. That personal article floater, what's cool with that is it's all risk. And so anything happens to it, it doesn't really matter what happens. There's coverage for it.
Right.
As long, and I mean, there's some caveats, right? Like if it's not being worn, it needs to be stored in a safe, and some other caveats. But for the most part, if you're water skiing and you're, for whatever reason, you felt like you needed to wear a $50,000 diamond ring water skiing, which would blow my mind, but it falls off, goes in the lake, there's coverage.
Right.
You
And
got to
so
take it on the boat and press the dial.
But once the property leaves the house, at that point, you're better off, or you might want to consider a personal article. Well, because the homeowner's insurance
when you schedule it on a home policy, there's coverage for things, but like all home policies, they're almost every home policy in Texas is not all risk for personal property,
right?
And so there's not the vast scope of all risk, right?